ಎನ್.ಆರ್. ರಾವ್ ಅವರೇ, ಉನ್ನತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ಮಾಹಿತಿ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಜೈವಿಕ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ಸಚಿವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಶ್ವತ್ಥನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವರೇ, ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕ್ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಅವರೇ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, ಸಂಶೋಧಕರು, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಸಹೋದರಿಯರು ಮತ್ತು ಸಹೋದರರು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಖ್ಯಾತ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಯುವ ಸಂಶೋಧಕರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಂವಹನ ನಡೆಸಲು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. Friends, brothers and sisters, it gives me immense pleasure to be with you all this morning and interact with some of the eminent scientists, young researchers of the country. I am also pleased to lay the foundation for the Innovation and Development Center of this great institute, which will showcase its scientific breakthroughs. I am also happy today, and I feel it my privilege to be in the company of Bharata Ratna, the great son of this great country, Dr. C.N.R. Rao. I am happy to see the vast strides and impressive achievements made by this institute in the fields of interdisciplinary science and engineering research. I was shown a detailed presentation of the good work and the great work you people are doing in this institute in 4 campuses in this historic city. In a span of 30 years, it has established itself as a leading scientific research center with an excellent publication record. I am told that many alumni of this institute are occupying. I am aware that the main focus of this institution, an autonomous institution and a deemed university, is to produce PhD and Master of Science students. I am happy to learn that it was ranked 4th among the universities, 11th in overall category for 2017 in NIRF rankings. My congratulations to all of you on this occasion. I am pleased to know that the center's research has received global attention and has been recognized both in the form of granted patents and fellowships to prestigious associations in the country and overseas. I firmly believe that the research conducted by any institution should be relevant to society, be it academic or industrial. In this context, translational research assumes importance, and I am glad to note that the institution has generated over 300 patents and promoted establishment of a few startups based on indigenous inventions. It is heartening to see Professor Raoji, who has nominated to the prestigious International ENI Award 2020 for research into renewable energy sources and storage, continue to pursue research at this center. I believe he will receive the award from the President of Italy in a few months from now. Congratulations, sir. You continue to inspire young scientists not only in India but all over the globe. That's why we feel proud to be in your company. I'm happy to learn that this center has built a network with other institutes of repute and established academic links with the scientists from across the globe. The intellectual atmosphere will naturally get invigorated by the exchange of ideas and interactions with scientists from all over the world. Knowing from others' experience, learning from others' experience, passing on our experience to others is the need of the hour. The setting up of the regional office of the Third World Academy of Sciences is also a feather in the cap of this center.